Starting around 05 November 2023, generally spell token generally is exchanging at $0.00048264 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.02% in sort of most recent 60 minutes, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Spell explicitly has a truly all-out market cap of $51,838,432, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $3,220,399, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. This truly makes most certainly Spell pretty token, Spell, lovely positioning at 368 in the digital money market, in a sort of enormous manner. On the off chance that you for the most part are a crypto financial backer, and considering what certainly is the Spell kind of symbolic cost expectation end of 2023, what will in every practical sense, Spell pretty token, basically be somewhat worth in 2023 in an extremely significant manner? Is generally Spell genuinely token an excellent speculation or kind of worth purchasing in 2023 in a huge manner? Will especially Spell cost basically outperform its unequaled high in an unobtrusive manner? These truly are our truly Spell certainly token cost expectations for Spell's future, which certainly is very critical. Spell pretty token, Spell, value expectation 2023 as per the Spell certainly token estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Spell cost for the most part is supposed to explicitly cross a genuinely normal value level of $0.0005681. The normal certainly least value worth of certainly Spell really token toward the finish of the kind of current year ought to be $0.0005495 in a genuinely significant manner. Besides Spell can essentially arrive at an extremely greatest value level of $0.000598828, which sort of is genuinely huge. Spell most certainly token, Spell, value conjecture August 2023. The Spell most certainly token, Spell, cost for August 2023 may explicitly arrive at in every practical sense, least worth of $0.000452774, while the sort of greatest gauge cost fundamentally is around $0.0005094, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. The very normal cost for in every practical sense, Spell truly is anticipated to fundamentally reach $0.000495919 in August 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. Spell value estimate September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of especially Spell in every practical sense, token truly is gauged to in a real sense, be at around an extremely least worth of $0.000491442 in an unpretentious manner. The Spell truly token value worth can especially arrive at in every way that really matters, limit of $0.000529114 with the very normal exchanging worth of $0.000515000 in United States dollars in an especially huge way. Spell truly token, Spell, value figure October 2023. For October 2023, the cost of generally Spell sort of token in every way that really matters is essentially anticipated to arrive at a fundamentally normal cost of $0.000530045, while the coin could exchange between a very limit of $0.000549774 and a genuinely least of $0.000511558 in a kind of significant manner. Spell kind of token, Spell, value expectation November 2023. With respect to November 2023, especially Spell fundamentally token value sort of is conjectured to especially arrive at a very the least cost of $0.000527449, showing how besides generally Spell can explicitly arrive at a greatest value level of $0.000598828, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. The Spell cost could sort of arrive at a by and large most extreme cost of $0.0005796, with the typical expected cost around $0.000546636, or so they really thought. Spell pretty token, Spell, value figure December 2023. The Spell commonly token, Spell, cost for December 2023 may sort of arrive at in every practical sense, least worth of $0.000549535, while the exceptionally greatest estimated cost truly is around $0.000598828. showing the way that the spell especially token value worth can really arrive at a limit of $0.000529914, with the typical exchanging worth of $0.000515000 in United States dollars, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. The very normal cost for sort of spell for the most part is basically anticipated to truly reach $0.0005681 in December 2023 in an in every way that really matters, enormous way. Spell truly token sort of past value examination in the truly beyond 24 hours, the crypto really has been by and large diminished by 0.6% in its for the most part current worth, which essentially is very critical. Assuming we in every practical sense think about the sort of current market cap of the spell with yesterday's, you can fundamentally see that the market cap essentially is likewise down, exhibiting how the in every practical sense normal cost for fundamentally spell truly is certainly anticipated to explicitly reach $0.0005681 in December 2023, which truly is very huge. Spell genuinely token in a real sense is confronting a sort of difficult time jumping aboard with kind of other crypto coins in an unobtrusive manner. The spell is down to nearly 1.79% in the absolute most recent 7 days, so the very normal cost for fundamentally spell basically is anticipated to sort of reach $0.000495119 in August 2023 in an extremely significant manner. The coin especially is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for in every practical sense, past not many days, the coin could sort of have areas of strength for exceptionally in any case, we don't by and large figure that it would a productive resource in beautiful present moment. By and large further appearance how really spell especially has a kind of complete market cap of $51,838,432 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $3,220,399, which truly is genuinely huge. Inside the by and large most recent 1 month, the cost of in a real sense spell sort of diminished by 39.168%. Wiping out an astounding certainly normal amount of $0.000310776 from its especially current worth in an unpretentious manner. This unexpected down truly implies that the coin for the most part is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can for the most part be a genuinely decent basically purchase a potential open door for exceptionally fast venture, showing how the in every practical sense, normal cost for by and large spell really is truly anticipated to by and large reach $0.0005681 in December 2023. Which basically is very critical. The 90 days cost change sort of is near 34.51%. And the cost basically flowed from an especially least extremely normal cost of $0.0006842 to especially greatest in every practical sense, normal cost of $0.0007448 in the very beyond 90 days in a significant manner.